everyone. Myself Priya Karka, Assistant Professor of Department Basic Science and Humanities in the SBIST, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Now let's discuss about the double integration. In our previous class, we discussed a double integration and how to find this double integration. And this class we will discuss now the change of order of integration. How to find the change of order of integration. Now, let's an example. 0 to 2, 0 to y. Function is that e to the power x square dx dy. Now let's discuss. Here we find the limit of x and the limit of y. Now let's plot the graph. At first we know that this is the first integration and the second. So first integration is the order dx and the second integration is order of dy with respect to integration y. So this is the limit of x and this is the limit of y. Here we plot the graph. Origin, and here it is x axis and here it is y axis. So our region is x is equals to 0 and x is equals to y, and this region is enclosed by y is equals to 0 and y is equals to 2. X is equals to 0. This is the center, the region, and x is equals to y, the straight line. This x is equals to y. Y is equals to 0 is the region center, and y is equals to 2. This is the y is equals to 2 region, and here this the straight line. So now let's move the graph, and here it is x is equals to 2, and this is y is equals to 2. Here is y is equals to 0 line, and here is x is equals to 0 line. So our region is enclosed by this, and this region is called capital R. Now let's the region is enclosed by the region is enclosed by capital R. Here this is the region capital R. We see that. Now the limit is convert that x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2, and the y limit is y is equals to 0 and y is equals to x. Now we start the evaluate the whole double integration after the change of order of integration and the limit also. So x is equals to 0 is equals to 0 to 2 this here, and this limit is dx, and y is equals to 0 to x here, and the function is e to the power x square and dy. So our integration and change of order of integration is 0 to 2 dx 0 to x e to the power x square dy, then 0 to 2 dy, and the integration is 0 to x e to the power x square dy. This is the limit of y and this is the limit of x. Now let's evaluate this double integration. At first 0 to 2 dy is unchanged. Here we apply this is dx. Here we apply the basic integration formula is e to the power x square with respect to x. This here the limit is also order of integration is changed, dx dy, and this is the limit of, this is x, and this is y. So the limit is here dx and it is y e to the power x square, and the limit we substitute 0 to x. So here 0 to 2 integration x e to the power x square dx. With respect to x, we evaluate the integration is 0 to 2 half d of e to the power x square d of x square, and our result becomes half e to the power 4 minus 1, and this is the